You are welcome to Messiah Revelation Ministry, which is an end-time ministry. We focus on key events and key nations, and we alert you for you to know that we are not in normal times. We are in abnormal times. We are in perilous times, and today we are focusing our video on digital vaccination. Digital vaccination certificates, and is a requirement now, and we are focusing on what is happening in Europe. On February 25th, 2021, the European Union, EU, they had a virtual meeting, and the decision was that there is going to be a requirement that all citizens in Europe should have digital vaccination certificates. All citizens in Europe should have a digital vaccination certificate, and that certificate will be rolling up. It will be ready the summer of 2021. And if you had said this few years ago, people probably will say that we are preaching conspiracy theory, but now it's a reality. And the reality is that people will now have to have a digital vaccination certificate. If all citizens in Europe, and we are talking about 27 countries, must have digital vaccination certificate, it's logical to say that the first thing is that you should be vaccinated, because if you do not get vaccinated, why will you get digital vaccination certificate? So in other words, they are saying that all citizens in Europe will be vaccinated, and then you will have digital vaccination certificate. And they are not talking about 1 year from now, they are talking about summer of 2021. And the question you ask is that why do you have to have digital vaccination certificate? It's because of COVID-19. Lo and behold, we had Ebola. There was no digital vaccination certificate required. We had AIDS. We didn't have that. We had flu. We didn't have that. And but why now? It's because of C-19. The pandemic or the pandemic is now being used as a pretext to roll up so many programs. Some airlines are demanding that if you don't have the vaccination certificate for C-19, then you will not travel, and that happened in Australia, and I believe in Singapore, and also Korea. But now we are talking about Europe, the European Union, a 27-nation organization, requiring that all their citizens must have digital vaccination certificate for C-19 come the summer of 2021. It's consistent with the trend going on. You know that in 2021 there is also going to be a global reset. We have done a video about it, where the financial, economic, and health systems in the world, they are going to be overhauled. And of course, it's a nice word of using the word reset, but technically it is an agenda of the New World Order, which I believe is the order that is going to be used by the Antichrist system. So the implication is this: all citizens of Europe will have to have a digital vaccination certificate. And if you don't have the certificate, then you are out. You cannot travel. There are so many things that you cannot do. And definitely, because the EU is a super organization. If you don't have the certificate in France, then you may not be able to travel to Italy. You cannot travel to Spain and other countries. And I believe that the EU, with its power, diplomatic power, will then enforce the mandate, and this they will probably say, if you don't have digital vaccination certificate, then you cannot enter Europe. And in the same way that the EU tried to impose LGBT ideology on African nations, they can also say that if you do not enforce digital vaccination in your country, then you cannot access EU aid, or you cannot travel to any EU nation. The EU is 27 nation organization, so they have a lot of power, they have a lot of influence. And they have Macron, who is leading in some of these mandates, and who is calling for a new world order and a new way of doing things. And so it's important to know that on the same date, February 25th, 2021, when the EU met to demand that all citizens have digital vaccination certificate by summer of 2021. That date, February 25th, 2021, was the same date that the U.S. House of Representatives and the U.S. Congress passed the Equality Act, which will promote LGBT values and ideology. And I said in another video that if that act, the Equality Act, is passed in the United States, then it will set the stage for an attack on the Bible, because certain scriptures in the Bible will be considered as a violation of the Equality Act. So these events are very critical. In this video, we are talking about digital vaccination certificate that is going to be rolled out in Europe, the 27-nation European Union, in the summer of 2021. It will have a lot of implications. If you don't have it, you cannot travel. And the scenario is the same when we talk about the mark of the beast in Revelation 13. If you don't have the mark of the beast, you cannot buy, you cannot sell. And so this is setting the stage for a scenario consistent with the book of Revelation. If you don't have the mark, you cannot buy, you cannot sell. And the COVID-19, C19, is being used as a test run for that scenario. And so the EU now is saying that all citizens in Europe must have a digital vaccination certificate against C19 come summer of 2021. So we're in the last days. If you have not accepted Jesus as your Lord and Savior, today is the day for you to do so. The Antichrist is on the scene, and there's a time for him to be revealed. And I believe that an event will happen that will set the stage for the revelation of the Antichrist. But before he comes to the scene, and they are setting the stage for him, and now the European Union, 27-nation European Union, has decided that all their citizens must have a digital vaccination certificate. If you don't have it, you cannot buy, you cannot sell. Those who have ears, let them hear what the Spirit is saying to the churches. Thank you.